Running a small business is exciting, challenging, and sometimes overwhelming. Between managing customers, tracking sales, and handling day-to-day operations, it can feel like there's never enough time in the day. But what if there was a way to streamline everything, keep customers happy, and boost revenue all without adding extra stress to your workload? That's exactly where CRM software comes in. Customer Relationship Management CRM software isn't just for big corporations with massive budgets. In fact, for small businesses, a well-chosen CRM can be a game changer. It helps organize customer data, automate tasks, and create a seamless sales and marketing process. The right CRM lets you work smarter, not harder, so you can focus on growing your business. But with so many CRM options out there, how do you choose the best one? Today, we're diving into the must-have features every small business should look for in CRM software. Whether you're a solopreneur, a startup founder, or running a family-owned business, this guide will help you find the perfect CRM to fit your needs. 1. User-friendly interface. One of the biggest mistakes small businesses make when choosing CRM software is picking something overly complicated. A powerful CRM is great, but if it takes weeks to learn or requires constant IT support, it's not worth it. Look for a CRM with an intuitive, user-friendly interface. It should be easy to navigate, with a dashboard that displays important information at a glance. Employees should be able to jump in and start using it without extensive training. A simple, well-organized CRM means less time figuring things out and more time focusing on your customers. 2. Contact and lead management. At its core, a CRM is designed to help manage customer relationships. That starts with an efficient contact and lead management system. A good CRM should store customer details, track interactions, and provide insights into each lead. It should allow you to segment customers based on different factors, such as purchase history, demographics, or engagement level. For example, if a potential customer visited your website and downloaded a free guide, the CRM should capture that lead and notify your sales team to follow up. If an existing customer frequently makes purchases, the system should make it easy to offer personalized recommendations. The more organized your contacts are, the easier it becomes to convert leads into loyal customers. 3. Sales pipeline tracking. Sales can be unpredictable, but a CRM with pipeline tracking gives you a clear picture of where each lead stands in the buying process. With visual sales pipelines, you can see every deal at a glance: who's interested, who's close to buying, and who needs a follow-up. This helps your sales team stay organized and ensures that no potential customer falls through the cracks. 4. Automation tools. Time is one of the most valuable resources for a small business. A CRM with automation tools can handle repetitive tasks, so you don't have to. Look for features like automated follow-up emails after a customer inquiry, task reminders for important deadlines, lead scoring to prioritize the most valuable prospects, marketing automation to send targeted promotions based on customer behavior. By automating these tasks, you free up time to focus on strategic growth. 5. Email and communication integration. Communication is key in any business. Your CRM should seamlessly integrate with your email platform, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or another service. This allows you to track emails, schedule follow-ups, and ensure that every customer interaction is recorded. Some CRMs even offer AI-powered email templates that suggest responses based on previous conversations. Additionally, look for features like in-app messaging or VoIP calling, which enable teams to communicate with customers without switching between different platforms. 6. Customer support and ticketing system. For service-based businesses, a CRM with a built-in customer support system can be a game changer. This feature helps track customer inquiries, assign tickets to team members, and ensure that issues are resolved quickly. Having a clear record of past interactions makes it easier to provide excellent service and build long-term relationships. Some CRMs even offer live chat integrations, so customers can get quick answers without sending an email or making a phone call. 7. Mobile accessibility. In today's world, business doesn't just happen at a desk. Whether you're meeting clients, attending networking events, or working remotely, you need a CRM that works on the go. A mobile-friendly CRM or a dedicated app allows you to access customer data, respond to messages, and update sales pipelines from anywhere. This is especially useful for sales teams and business owners who are always on the move. Finding the right CRM for your small business isn't just about picking the most popular option, it's about choosing a system that aligns with your workflow and business goals. A CRM with an intuitive interface, strong automation, seamless integrations, and robust reporting can transform the way you manage customer relationships. It helps you stay organized, improve efficiency, and ultimately drive more sales. The key is to start with your specific needs. Are you looking for better sales tracking? Do you need automation to save time? Are you focused on improving customer support? Once you identify your priorities, finding the perfect CRM becomes much easier. There are many excellent options on the market, from simple and affordable solutions to powerful, feature-packed systems. Take advantage of free trials, test different platforms, and see what works best for your business.